Snoring is the hoarse or harsh sound that occurs when your breathing is partially obstructed in some way while you are sleeping. Sometimes snoring may indicate a serious health condition. In addition, snoring can be a nuisance to your partner. To treat your condition, your doctor likely will first recommend lifestyle changes such as losing weight, avoiding alcohol close to bedtime, treating nasal congestion, avoiding sleep deprivation, and avoiding sleeping on your back. In addition, medical devices and surgery are available that may reduce disruptive snoring. For snoring caused by obstructive sleep apnea, your doctor may suggest oral appliances, continuous positive airway pressure (CPAP). This approach involves wearing a pressurized mask over your nose while you sleep. Palatal implants. In this procedure, known as the pillar procedure, doctors inject braided strands of polyester filament into your soft palate, which stiffens it and reduces snoring. Traditional surgery. A type of face lift for your throat. Laser surgery, removing excess tissues, enlarges your airway and reduces vibration. Radio frequency tissue ablation. Doctors use a low intensity radio frequency signal to shrink tissue in the soft palate to help reduce snoring. Generally, this procedure is less painful than other types of snoring surgery. We take a pledge, we'll treat you well.